Hi, my name is Ron Evans, and I'm the owner of CaterPro Software. The product I'm going to tell you about is CaterPro for Windows. CaterPro was first installed at a country club in San Jose, California. Its initial purpose was to allow creation of function sheets to document and communicate event information. Since then, it has grown tremendously, including support for rentals, invoices, take lists, staff and delivery schedules, and a host of other functions. Let's talk about why you might need a product like CaterPro. One key reason is to improve your productivity and your staff's productivity. You may already be using a computer for your business, but it's probable that you are not being as productive as you could be. Do you find yourself re-entering information about your clients' changes? Are you manually creating financial reports using a spreadsheet type product? Are you manually creating thank you letters or confirmation letters? Do you manually calculate various taxes, service charges, or gratuities? Do you manually create a packing list for items that you need to take with you to an event? CaterPro will help you get your job done more efficiently and accurately in all of these areas and more. You can also improve the accuracy of the information that's vital to your business. If you're manually creating event orders, calculating taxes and service charges, you may be making costly arithmetic errors. If your tax rates or service charges change, and you're not using a software like CaterPro for Windows, you may overlook the change or recalculate totals incorrectly. If you need to create reports for accounting or tax purposes, or to improve your insight into the business, you may just need to sort through a vast amount of unorganized information to create a report that may be incomplete. With CaterPro, these items will be calculated for you and will provide you with many different reports that portray your business. And finally, you can improve your ability to manage your business and better communicate with clients and staff. As you know, catered events are dynamic. There are often changes required right up to the last minute. If you are using scraps of paper to communicate to your staff, you know how often mistakes are made. A computer system will help you manage these activities and an organized place to contain this vital information. You also know how often the same information is required, such as directions to a particular venue, and you know how difficult it is to keep track of who's working, when they're available, and what delivery capabilities are available. How about keeping up with clients' deposits? Convinced on why you might need a system like CaterPro? Here are some of the organizations that use the product today. Many have been using CaterPro for years. Restaurants like Clyde's of Tyson's Corner or Paulo's. Golf clubs and private clubs like Canyon Springs, Almaden, and Boca Dunes Golf and Country Club. Caterers like Party Helpers, Alaskan Events, and Incredible Edible Catering. Universities like University of Redmond, Georgia State University, and Berea College. And teaching institutions like East Valley Institute and the Culinary Institute of the Pacific. Event centers and entertainment centers like Conner Prairie Museum, Oklahoma Aquarium, and Grand Point Conference Center. Hotels and inns like Marriott's, Days Inn, Doubletree, Holiday Inn, and more. And a variety of other venues, including the Jelly Belly Candy Company, Mount Edgecombe Hospital, and U.S. Play. Let's just say that there are hundreds of organizations and perhaps thousands of people who have used CaterPro to improve their business. Perhaps you should too. That's why you're here, to find out if CaterPro is right for your organization. Let's look at some of the features in CaterPro that will help you in your business. There's a simple user interface. Here's the events calendar that will help navigate your events and give you the ability to access many of the functions in CaterPro. You can access an event by simply clicking a date in the calendar and then double-clicking an event in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can quickly enter event information. Here's the quick entry form. You need a minimum of information to enter a sample order. After entering the basic information, you can open the order screen. The order screen shown here allows you to enter item orders for the event, such as menu entrees, desserts, room charges, etc. To add an item, you simply click on the category drop-down arrow, select the appropriate category, and then click the menu item drop-down arrow to select the item. Now enter a quantity and click Add Item. The item will now be added to the events order. Note that tax and service charge calculations will be made for you. The multiple item order screen allows you to quickly enter item order information for the same menu category. In this screen, you select the menu category and then enter quantities in the desired menu items and click Add. All items with quantities are now added to the order. A much more detailed event screen is shown here, where you can enter deposit schedules, detailed client information, and more. You can get multiple printouts and views of events. Some examples are the event order shown here, the concise banquet event order, setup instructions, an invoice, and a banquet event order in Word form. You can also get kitchen instructions, a fact sheet, and labels for the selected event. There are a multitude of reports included with CaterPro, including projected and actual revenue by client, company, date, menu item, or category, accounts receivable, delivery schedules, and more. You can also get reports showing payments due, staff schedules, contracts due, and even clients' birthdays. All of your reports can be emailed to your clients and staff. With CaterPro for Windows, you will have an integrated system including your menu items, rental equipment, staff profiles, and staffing and delivery schedules, client information, orders and order history, and tournament logistics. And the system comes with a full set of reports to help you manage your business. It even offers interfaces that allow you to load the information directly to products like Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Excel. You can automatically create letters and contracts using a combination of CaterPro and the powerful capabilities of Microsoft Word's mail merge facility. Shown here on the left is a Word template that you can customize for your business. On the right, you can see that with a couple of clicks, Word's mail merge facility has filled in the desired information from the database. You can also get an automated list of items to take with you to off-site events or for in-house setup. You can even pre-select the items that are to be automatically included when certain menu items are chosen on the order screen. And you can also enter specific items as required for a specific event. You can enter appointments, reminders, and to-do lists using a feature modeled after Microsoft Outlook's calendar function. You can even import event information to your Microsoft Outlook calendar and then download all of your events to your personal digital assistant. And you'll get a video user guide that you can play on your computer showing a detailed video for each and every function in the system. This is in addition to a hard copy user guide. And best of all, CaterPro will not cost you an arm and a leg, and you're not required to pay a monthly fee or yearly maintenance fee. When you purchase CaterPro, you will be given technical support via an 800 number and email for 1 year. After that, you may upgrade to the latest version for a fee or continue to use CaterPro without technical support. The single-user version is priced at $495 and allows you to install CaterPro on one computer and a laptop as long as it is not networked. The laptop would be used to take off-site to develop banquet event orders, and any changes would be uploaded to the office computer. The network version is priced at $895 and allows you to use CaterPro at any number of computers at your site. You may also install CaterPro at off-site locations as long as they are used in conjunction with the site's database. You've just heard a lot of information, but you'll only know if CaterPro works for you if you try it. I encourage you to at least look at the next section before you install CaterPro. In it, you will see what it takes to set up your database for initial use and enter specific information about your business, such as your menus, venues, tax rates, and so forth. After that, you should be able to install the product and then refer back to the details contained in the demo CD when needed. So let's get started by closing this section of the demo and opening the next section.